morning, everybody. It's another day in paradise in beautiful Las Vegas. Get myself in order here. Try to be timely today. Missed yesterday. My sinuses, oh my gosh. We're redoing our garage and it was so dusty. And I went out there and paid the price. And I'm still a little stuffed up today, but I think I'm on the mend. Anyway, what's going on? This is yesterday's stats. We'll review those, and then I have some other stats that Applied Analysis did that we're going to look at. So first of all, yesterday you listed 138 homes. That's fantastic. And 51 of those were 485,000 and under, which is 31% of the market for 1,133 total active homes. So that's pretty cool. 31% of the market is right in that sweet spot. You put 93 under contract and closed 91. So the sales this month so far, 95 per day. But, as we get closer to the middle of the month, that will probably go up because year to date, we're doing 124 sales per day. So I predict that will go up. We shall see. Let's see. We've got 49 investor sales per day. That hasn't changed. $5.5 million homes selling every day. That hasn't changed. So the things that have changed, though, is we have 39 days of inventory, 1.2 months of inventory. And that has changed. And we're going to look at some stats now that, one of my favorite companies is Applied Analysis. And they do such a fantastic job of giving us what's going on. And now they're usually a month behind, but they just published their May numbers. And so we're going to bring them to you timely. Number of closings in the single market, 2,907 single family closings. And we know that, let's see, in May, I don't have that number handy. Anyway, that's okay. So that's 8% less than the prior year and 3% less than April. Then if you look at the median closing price, now they take into consideration Nye County and a couple other places, Lincoln County, that we don't. That's why the number is different. So you always have to know what the source of your criteria is. So they're saying 482,000. That's fine. But if you can see how everything has just gone up since 2015, when they are tracking on this particular chart, and Jimmy loves charts. These charts are really good. So let's see what they're doing next. Oh, here's one thing I wanted to mention. So the 482,000 is 25.2% versus the last year, and it's up 1.5% from April. So that is where we're headed, right? Up. But we'll see. We have 1.2 months of inventory in May. We followed that. We went over that 30 days mark, which was great. And that was 51% more than the previous month. Remember, we were down in the teens, so that has changed. And that's 92% better than the prior year. So that is awesome. Because we're getting more listings, more people have more choices. And it actually, even though we love that swift market, it was not easy to navigate because of the multiple offers and people with their appraisal values were paying more than appraisal. I'm sure that's still going on, but not as hectic as it was. Time on the market, 30 days or less. We're still in that high 80s range. Homes are closing in 30 days or less, and that's good. There are some people who can't move that quickly, so I always advise, if you are going to let your seller stay in the home because he needs a little more time or she needs a little more time, then you need to have them sign a LVR lease agreement. 14 pages, yes. because that's way everybody's protected. I don't care if it's 1 day or 30 days or however long it is, you have to protect all parties. That's in your duties owed. And that lease is what protects all parties, because that covers all the different things that can go wrong. And yes, the seller who lived in the home has to get renter's insurance if they want their possessions that they're living with covered. So, and your new owner has to get landlord's insurance to be covered as well. So there's some, and that's easy. The insurance company just puts a rider on there for a day or 30 days, whatever your new owner is going to allow the previous owners to stay there. So